When people think of life insurance, they often think of death and funerals, which are the basic reasons that we need life insurance. Whole life insurance is permanent insurance that guarantees a death benefit with a price that never changes. What people do not know is that these policies come with living benefits, the main one being the earning of cash value. Part of your premium will be used to earn cash value that you can use for whatever that it is you need. If done right, you could really become your own banker and pull the money out whenever you need it, for whatever reason that you choose. The policy will earn you much more interest than your money would sitting in a savings account. You will never have to go to the bank for a loan again. In this article, I will break down the F steps to do just that with no fluff. The first step is to choose a mutual life carrier, which means that the carrier is owned by the policyholders. This type of carrier shares the company's profits with the policyholders, which are called dividends. For you to earn as much money as possible, you want to pick the best type of company to help you earn the absolute most money possible. Now, you do have to be able to pass medical exams to be approved for a policy, especially an affordable one. The good thing about life insurance is that if you are not in good health, you could purchase a policy on a loved one such as a spouse, child, or grandchild. Most children are in good health, so purchase a policy on them and you would be the owner of that policy. This policy is your future bank. Step number 2, choose whole life policy design necessities and add-ons. In order to maximize cash value as soon as possible, you will need to make sure that your policy includes 2 riders attached. The first rider is the paid-up additions. This is basically a miniature policy attached to your whole life policy. It is paid up in a single premium, and it also earns cash value. It basically buys you more coverage and it goes directly to earning cash value. The second rider is the term insurance rider. A term life rider is an extra policy attached that you could use for more coverage. You could add another person to that rider as well. This is important to add is because the IRS only allows you to pay so much of an extra premium for a set amount of coverage. You will lose certain tax benefits if you invest more than they allow. This rider raises the total face value, allowing you to invest more. The third step, properly funding your policy. You want to make sure that you pay the maximum amount allowed to become your own banker. Most of your extra commission goes to your cash surrender value. These funds become available immediately for your use. 5% to 10% of the extra payment goes into buying your paid-up addition. Additional PUAs added to your policy's guaranteed cash value entitle you to a bigger cut of the mutual company's annual dividend pool. Fourth step, use cash value to fund expenditures and investments. Now it's time to pull some cash out to fund anything that you want. Most people think that they are borrowing money from their account, when in fact they are borrowing against the policy. When the carrier cuts you the check, your money is still in the account earning interest. If you had $50,000 in cash value and you decided to borrow $20,000, the $50,000 would still be there earning interest. This is a win-win situation. No paperwork or forms to fill out from any bank, just collect your money and invest in whatever that you choose. The fifth and final step, pay back the loan on your terms. You can pay this loan back whenever you feel, and if you do not, it is deducted from your face amount. It would be in your best interest to pay it back so that you would be able to repeat the same cycle again. You have options to pay back the principal and interest at the same time, make interest payments only, or pay it all back once you were able. Now I know that you may be thinking that you have to pay back all of this interest on the money, right? Wrong. Don't forget that your cash value is steady building and earning interest, so when you pay the money back you will still be ahead. I hope that this information helped you learn something new today. If you need more help or if you are interested in getting starting on setting a policy up, please give us a call at 678-928-3926.